Okay. Now tell me 45 numbers place value. The last section yes, the same value, same digit number, it's a face value, and the place value is a 1 stands like so. Yeah. Yes, now stop giving answers. Today we are going to learn about the ascending and the descending order. That the in same topic, it's in chapter number 3. I am sharing my screen with you. This is our last topic of chapter number 3. That is the ascending and descending order. Okay, so all of you read the spelling of ascending and descending order. First, see if you are ascending and descending order. So how to write the number in ascending and descending order? So first we will see here the how to write number in a ascending order. Okay, these two are the orders, and that and on that orders how to write the numbers. For example, 2-3 numbers are there, 45, 49, 59 like this, and that numbers how you write in ascending form. Okay, so when we write the number in a ascending form, ascending order, so we start from the smaller. Okay, see this the staircase are there. Okay, स्टेयरकेस मींस सीढ़ी, आपको पता है ना, स्कूल में आप आते हो तो सीढ़ी चढ़ते हो ना, फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे जाने के लिए, सेकंड फ्लोर पे जाने के लिए. ओके, या सो सी, सो व्हेन वी स्टार्ट climb the staircase is from the smaller number to bigger number. Okay, for example, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, like this we are, yes, like this we are climb the staircase. See, like this, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means the numbers are increasing from the downside to upward. See, down to upward. Numbers are increasing. So when we write the ascending order of the numbers, so always we write the smaller number to bigger number. When we write the smaller number first, and then bigger, then bigger, then bigger, and then bigger, bigger, bigger. For example, see here. Okay, if it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, if I'm writing here the numbers. Okay, that numbers we want to write the in a ascending order. Okay, so the ascending, when we write the ascending order, the first we are writing this, we start from the smaller number, right? See, if I'm writing these number to ascending orders, how it's come? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How much it's a staircase are there, like this. So in this, the smallest number is a 1, right? We start from the smallest number. When we writing ascending number, ascending order, that time we start from the smaller number to bigger number, right? See, this is smaller number to bigger number. 10 is a bigger number, na? Then 11, 12, 13. Though after that, this whichever number will come here, it's a bigger number, but it starts from the smaller number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One number are a increase here. And see here, when we write the descending order from up to down, see, up to down. Like this is 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Okay. When we write descending order, it starts from the bigger number to smaller number, right? It's a bigger number, right? Then after that, 9 smaller, 8 smaller, 7 smaller, 6 smaller, 5 and 4. It's a slope like this. It's a up to down and it's down to up. When we write ascending order, it's smaller to bigger. And when we write the descending order, it's bigger to smaller. So that means when we write descending order, we always write the bigger number first. Okay. So here if I am writing the descending order, just wait, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. See here I am writing this, how to write this descending order number: 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So here the first number is the 10. It's a greater number, right? It's a bigger number. And the last number is the 1. It's a smaller number. That means when we write the ascending number, it starts from bigger number to smaller number. When we write ascending order, so first we write the bigger number. And when we write the descending order, ascending order, that time we use here smaller to bigger. Okay. Next, same, only ascending order, see here. Okay. Again, I explain you. See, only ascending order. Here writing, here given some poles, right? Here given some poles. And on that, the return the 2, 4. With the largest number, it is the smallest to largest. Smallest to largest. So we write here on this number ascending order how it will come: 1, 2, 3, 4. If it is one more block is there, then 5. No, 6. It's how much you want. But the main thing is it starts from the smallest number and end with the largest number. It's called the ascending order. And same, the opposite side of ascending order, it's a descending order. What? The opposite side of ascending order, it's a descending order. When we write ascending order and then the same number, if you are writing from the opposite sides, so automatically you will get the descending order. See here. Now here we will see the descending order. It's from the greater number to smaller number. See, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The 6 is a greater number and the 1 is a smaller number. So ascending order start with greater number to smaller number. So here now I'm showing you one video on ascending and descending order. Nidhi teacher. Nidhi teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Just show them that video ascending and descending order. Yes, now students, all of you listen carefully that video. Then again you will clear your concept, and after that we will solve some sums on the whiteboard. Okay, so after that you will clear the concept of ascending and the descending order. The voice is not there. Nidhi teacher, voice is not there. Try another video now. See, let's see if voice is there. Otherwise, I will explain. Teacher, try another video. Still voice is not there. Students, see students in this video how to write the ascending order. The ascending order means increasing the order. Let's see the example of ascending order. That, see, start from smaller number to bigger number. It's 1, 2, 3, see, 4. 1 number are the increasing, right? 1 number here the increasing. That means it start from small to bigger number. 1 to 9. 1 is a smaller number and the 9 is a bigger number. Here some number is given. So let's see how to write that number in ascending order. Okay, 21, 32, 14, 26 and 11. So here in these 5 numbers, the 11 is a smaller number. So that's why here we return 11 is a first, right? Here, see. And then 14, 21, 26 and 33. Here 52, 22, 19, 68 and 45. So here the 19 is a smaller number than 22. After 22, 45, 54 and last is a 68. It starts from small to bigger number. First here written the smaller number and end with the bigger number. So here which number will come first? 27. After 27, 35. After 35, 73, 84 and last is a 98. The 27 is a smaller number and the 98 is a bigger number. Yes, Nidhi teacher, stop the video. Okay, and make me host. Yes, students, on that same, some examples we will solve on a whiteboard now. Okay, now I am sharing my whiteboard with you. Just wait, students. Here, I'm sharing whiteboard with you. Okay, so some numbers I'm writing on whiteboard. Okay, just wait. 3, 4, 2, 5. Okay, so how we write here? Yes, my voice is not there.
Your voice is there.
Then okay. So here I return number 3, 4, 2 and 5. Okay, 3, comma. When we write the number in order ascending and descending. Yes, stop chatting, students. I will remove you. I will give you chance after 10:50. Now stop chatting. When we write a number in ascending and descending order, so we always put the comma in between two numbers. Okay, always put the comma in between two numbers. It's a compulsory. So here the number is given. Okay, so what happened? Just wait. Yes, 3, 4, 2, 5. So here first we write here, it's a smallest number in this, any smallest number. So here 3, 4, 2, 5. So here the smallest number is 2, right? It's the smallest number is 2 and the bigger number is 5. So how we write it, this number in a ascending order? The ascending order definition, what I said you, that when we write ascending order, that time always we write smaller number to bigger number, right? So first the smaller number is a 2. So start from 2, 3, after that 4 and 5, right? Now descending order. Descending order, I said it's a opposite sides of ascending order, but what we can always keep in your mind, that is the, when we write a descending order, so that time we write the bigger number to smaller number. Yeah, that is the definition of descending order. Stop chatting, students. I am not able to write here answer. 5, 4, okay, put comma, it's a compulsory. 5, 4, 3, comma 2. It's a descending order. It starts from bigger number to smaller number, and the ascending order is smaller number to bigger number. Okay, it's very easy. One more example we take here. The number is 14, 16 and 11. Okay, so here first we write the smallest number 14, 16 and 11. Here we write here the first number, smallest number is 11, and the largest number, okay, otherwise say the bigger number is 16, right? So this number how we write in ascending order? So first we write the smaller number, right? So here it's every place tens are there, okay, 1, 1, 1. So we will check here the ones, okay, see ones place. So ones, 6 and the 4, okay, 1, 6 and 4. So here 1 is a small, okay, in a place of a ones, 1 is a smaller number. So we write here first small 11, then 14 and then 16. So same, it's like a descending order. When we write number in a descending order, so we start from the bigger number. So here the 16 is a bigger number, then 14 and then 11. I hope you clear the how to write ascending order and the descending order. One more example. 42, 25, 1964. Okay, these are the 4 numbers. First we write the smallest number in this number, okay, 42, 25, 19 and 64. So in this number, which one is a smaller number? Yes, the 19 is a smaller number, and the bigger number is, which one is a bigger number? 64 is a bigger number. So same here, write the ascending order. Start from 19, that means the smaller number. 19, 25, 42 and end with the bigger number, that is the 64. And the descending order, first we write the bigger number, that is 64, then 42, 25 and the smaller number is the last, it's a 19. So you always keep in your mind the definition of smaller number and ascending order and descending order. Okay. Again, one example. $16, 84, 9 and 52. Here the number is given, okay. 4 number are there. First we write here the smallest number in this 16, 84, 9 and 52. So you all of you know which one is a smaller number in this number? Yes, it's a 9. And the bigger number, it's a 84. So now we write here the ascending order, that is the 9, 16, after that 52, and last is the bigger number is 84. Here, and same, it's a descending order, the opposite side of ascending order. See, first we write here 84, it's a bigger number, then 52, 16, 9, last one is a smaller number. Yes, I hope you clear how to write number in ascending order and descending order. Now we will solve some worksheet. Okay. Here, see. Okay. First, I will explain you. Then remaining two, you want to tell me. Okay. The number is given 59, 70. Wait, I am highlighted the numbers. See, the 59, 17, 65, 21, and 44. Okay, these are the numbers. These numbers first we write in a ascending order. Okay, see here written. First we write here the ascending order. So when we write the number in ascending order, so we always start from the smaller number, right? We always start from the smaller number. So in this number, which one is the smaller number? Okay, the 21, right? So first, which number we write here? 21. So after 21, which one number is the smaller? Okay, these four numbers are remaining. Which number here? The smaller after 21. So 44. Then after 44, three numbers are remaining here. So which number is the smaller number? Yes, 59. Then 65. And the last is a 70. See here ascending order, 21, after that 44, then 59, 65, and 70. It's a ascending order of that numbers. Say it's a now the descending order. The descending order, when we write any number in a descending order, so first we write the bigger number. Is 70 is a bigger number. After that 65, then 59, 44, and last the smaller number is 21. Clear? Here. Now next, you want to tell me, see the number is 22, 44, 1, 10, and 11. Okay, these numbers are there. So how will you write the in ascending order these numbers? Give answer to the chat box. (22), 44, 1, 10, 11.